Okay, this is completing the 3rd of June, my DoorDash. It was, I've been here 7 hours, 6 deliveries. I made $30. So, paid for my gas, you know, you're just looking at time sitting, waiting. And then I had one cancel on me. So, you know, what are you gonna do? Anyway, I'm heading home. It's almost 3 o'clock, and get some stuff done around the house. I gotta work my regular job tomorrow, so I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna come back here 10 to whenever. And then go to work. I'm gonna be off Saturday. I'm not doing anything. So where you at? You just gotta, you know, you have cancellations, long waits depending on where you're going. I just looked at my schedule. Or the scheduling that they have, and lo and behold, they're gonna be opening up in 4 areas right home, which is awesome. I'm already in the system, and all I gotta do is schedule, and we'll see what areas around my house. These are all within, you know, 20 miles of my house, 12 miles of my house. Well, 20 miles. Cornell, Dansville, Bath.
And yeah,
Watching me, and you're right here in this area, in our area. Don't hesitate to start using DoorDash. It's going to save you money, and time, and going to help me. Okay, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share, and I'm out of here. Thanks for watching. Crosby's Transporter or DoorDash.